I have always said that the body was never designed to be sick. Disease appears only when we feed the body the wrong foods. When you return to nature, when you choose alkaline living foods, the body begins to repair itself.
For decades, Dr. Sebi shocked the world with one bold claim. If you remove mucus from the body, every disease disappears. Sounds impossible, right? But stay with me, because what you're about to hear may change the way you see food, sickness, and healing forever. Dr. Sebi believed that no matter what name doctors give your condition, diabetes, arthritis, high blood pressure, kidney issues, or even digestive problems, all of them begin with one root cause: toxic mucus choking your cells. And the most surprising part, most people create this mucus every single day without even knowing it. In today's video, we're diving deep into Dr. Sebi's most powerful discovery, the diet that cleans the blood, detoxifies every organ, and helps the body repair itself naturally. When these lifeless foods enter your system, your cells become weak, slow, and tired. Dr. Sebi often said, if the food has no life, how will it give life to you? This is why so many seniors feel heavy after eating, feel sleepy during the day, or struggle with slow digestion. It is not age, it is the body rejecting what is not natural. Dr. Sebi believed that the body always tries to return to health, but it cannot do that when the blood is full of acidity. Instead, it must fight inflammation, toxins, and mucus every single day, leaving you exhausted. That is why, even with medicines, many people still feel sick. Medicines may reduce symptoms for a short time, but they do not remove the mucus, they do not detox the blood, and they do not rebuild the cells. Only food can do that, specifically alkaline plant foods that bring life, oxygen, and purity back into the body. According to Dr. Sebi, the body is electric, and your food must also be electric. What does that mean? Electric foods are natural, unprocessed, and grown from the earth with minerals that match the minerals inside your cells. These foods feed the body at the cellular level, meaning they help repair and rebuild tissues, strengthen your immune system, open your arteries, cleanse your digestive tract, and restore your energy. These electric foods include fruits like blueberries, dates, figs, soursop, and mangoes, vegetables like kale, watercress, amaranth greens, and dandelion leaves, and grains like quinoa, wild rice, and amaranth. They also include natural oils like olive oil and sesame oil. But Dr. Sebi didn't just list foods, he explained why they work. He said alkaline foods carry oxygen. When oxygen enters your cells, mucus melts away, inflammation reduces, blood becomes thinner, and the body begins repairing itself naturally. That is why people who follow his diet often notice clearer skin, lighter digestion, less joint pain, better sleep, and more energy. For many seniors, these changes happen in the first few weeks. Dr. Sebi also focused heavily on fasting and hydration. He believed that healing begins when the body gets a break from constant digestion. When you stop eating acidic foods and start drinking natural alkaline water, herbal teas, and mineral-rich juices, your body begins flushing old mucus that has been stuck for years. Many people reported that during the first few days of this diet, they feel lighter and cleaner because the toxins start leaving through the kidneys, colon, and skin. Dr. Sebi used to say that no supplement can compare to the body's natural ability to to heal once the bloodstream becomes clean. But he also warned that most people make a big mistake. They try to heal while still eating foods that poison them. You cannot mix acidic foods with alkaline foods and expect results. To heal, you must stop the foods that create mucus. Dr. Sebi said the 3 most dangerous mucus-producing foods are dairy, artificial sugar, and processed meat. Dairy creates thick mucus in the lungs, throat, and sinus. Artificial sugar weakens the pancreas and liver while feeding harmful bacteria. Processed meat sits in the digestive system and rots, causing inflammation in the bloodstream. For seniors, these foods are especially harmful because the body digests them more slowly with age. He also warned about hybrid foods, foods created by crossbreeding plants, such as seedless fruits and genetically modified grains. According to him, these foods confuse the digestive system and create waste that the body cannot fully eliminate. Once you remove these toxic foods, Dr. Sebi said healing becomes much easier, but you must replace them with foods that bring life, not death. He emphasized minerals more than vitamins. He believed minerals are the foundation of good health because every cell in the body needs minerals to function. That's why he recommended herbs like burdock root, sarsaparilla, elderberry, and sea moss. These herbs supply the 102 minerals your body uses for energy, immunity, nerve health, and digestion. When your cells are mineral rich, your body becomes stronger at fighting disease. Dr. Sebi often said, the body always heals, but you must stop poisoning it. And this is the heart of his diet. He wasn't just giving a list of foods, he was giving a blueprint for repairing the entire human system. His diet is designed to open your arteries, clean your lymphatic system, flush your intestines, support your liver, strengthen your kidneys, and improve your bloodstream. Many people notice their chronic diseases becoming lighter or disappearing because the body finally had the strength to clean itself. Now that you understand the foundation of Dr. Sebi's healing approach, let's move into the most important part, the specific foods he believed could reverse disease and the exact daily routine that allows your body to heal itself naturally. According to Dr. Sebi, every food you eat is either feeding life or feeding disease. There is no in-between. He said, if a food creates mucus, slows digestion, thickens the blood, spikes inflammation, or weakens cell energy, then it should never enter your body. This is why he completely banned foods like cow's milk, cheese, butter, eggs, poultry, beef, pork, white rice, white flour, white sugar, canned foods, fried oils, soy products, carbonated drinks, and anything artificial. These foods have high acidity, low mineral content, and cause the body to produce heavy mucus that blocks oxygen flow. When oxygen drops, diseases grow. But Sebi didn't stop at telling us what not to eat. He gave a complete blueprint of what to eat so the body becomes strong enough to clean itself. He recommended living alkaline foods, foods that come straight from nature and support cell regeneration. His most powerful healing foods included leafy greens like kale, watercress, dandelion greens, and amaranth leaves, which oxygenate the blood and melt mucus from the lungs and digestive tract. Fruits were the center of his diet because they carry natural electricity and enzymes that detoxify the body. He especially recommended berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, which clean the lymph system, soursop and mangoes for cell repair, and dates and figs for natural energy. He emphasized avoiding seedless fruits because he believed a fruit without seeds cannot give life. Sebi also insisted on using natural grains like quinoa, wild rice, amaranth, and spelt, each rich in minerals that support the bones, immune system, and digestion. Even his recommended oils had a purpose. Olive oil for cleansing arteries, sesame oil for hormone balance, and coconut oil for protecting the heart. But the real power of his system came from sea moss and herbal combinations. Sea moss, according to Dr. Sebi, contains 92 of the 102 minerals the body uses. When combined with bladderwrack and burdock root, the body receives all 102 minerals needed for true cellular repair. These herbs unclog blocked pathways, strengthen immunity, improve joints, and restore natural energy. Seniors especially benefit because mineral loss accelerates with age, and these herbs replenish what the body struggles to hold. So, Dr. Sebi's herbal teas, elderberry tea, ginger tea, chamomile tea, and dandelion tea also played a huge role in cleansing the blood and supporting the liver and kidneys. But, food alone is not enough. Dr. Sebi stressed that timing is everything. He recommended eating only twice a day or 3 small meals if needed, because constant eating keeps the body in digestion mode instead of healing mode. He believed that when you fast for 12 to 14 hours, the body finally begins repairing damaged tissues and removing mucus that has been stuck for years. He also emphasized drinking plenty of spring water to flush out toxins and keep the bloodstream clean. Many people reported clearer skin, easier breathing, improved digestion, and less pain within days of following this rhythm. Dr. Sebi's diet may look simple, but its effects are powerful because it cleans the body from the inside out. When you stop eating acidic foods, inflammation decreases. When you start eating alkaline foods rich in minerals, your cells wake up and begin to repair. When your blood becomes clean, toxins leave naturally. When oxygen increases, diseases weaken. And when the mucus dissolves, the body returns to balance. This is why Dr. Sebi always said, the body heals itself once you stop eating the foods that make you sick. In the final part of this journey, remember this. Healing is not about adding more pills, more supplements, or more complicated methods. It is about returning to nature, eating foods that give life, and trusting your body's incredible ability to repair itself. Dr. Sebi believed that if you give the body the right minerals, the right oxygen, and the right environment, disease has no place to survive.